Alright everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I create this video from scratch. Alright, so this is a product ads video, a marketing video. So let's head on to CapCut. So I achieved this through CapCut. Alright, this is my CapCut app. So this is a project that I've already worked on. So I will go back and start a new project. So you will click on new projects. So after clicking on new project, the next thing you have to do now is to upload all the materials that you will be using. So I head on to my gallery, to my files, and I upload my material. Go to photo. Okay, so I'm trying to look for the material. We bring in the background first. Yes, here is the background. We click on the background and we click on add. We click this add. So our background has been imported. So we click, after that we now click on this overlay here, click on overlay, then click on add overlay, then we upload all the other stocks that we'll be using. So here is one of the stock that we'll be using. All these three shoes, we'll be using them. Then we'll be using this 50%, this flash sales, and other now. Yeah, so we'll add them all. Okay, sorry, we'll have to remove these two shoes. I'm going to leave only one of the shoe there. So this one, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this other one. Please, when you are importing your own, only one shoe should be imported. Here is the shoe. Only this should be imported. So, but you can import the other stock. So this 50% will now position them. So you're going to position this 50%, let it be here. So you leave it there. Then the flash, you click on the flash here, look at it here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to position it. Then you drag it up. You drag it up here. So as you drag it up, just leave it there. It's okay like that. So click on the cell. Then drag the cell. Let it be under, position it under this flash. Like this. It's okay. Alright. So you tap on it and it will enable you to click on other stock that you want to position. So you position this red order now. You tap on it, then it will enable you to position it. Then you drag it down, then you just position it here, just right here. It's okay this way. Now the next thing we have to position is the shoe. So once you tap on this white stuff, so the white stuff it will leave, and once it has left, you'll be able to scroll and position another thing. Then you now click on this shoe here, then you position it also, drag it down a little bit, then you reduce the size a little bit. Yes, I think it's okay like this. We are good to go. But this 50%, let's look for it. So here it is. So we tap on it, 50% off discount. So we reduce it a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. So we drag it, position it very well to this side. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. So the next thing we have to do, want to do now, is all this talk now, we want to give them an animation. Yes, we want to give them an animation that will make it look very nice and amazing. So the first one we'll do is this shoe. Let's animate, let's start from this shoe. But before you can animate on CapCut, you have to on your data. Your data must be on. Yes, animation on CapCut works with your internet connection. So my data is on now, so I click on it. Then look at animations here. You tap on the animations. So it's loading it now. All right. For let's check rolling. Okay, roll right, rather roll right. Here it is here. So let's check it. Yes, roll right. You can see how it demonstrated for us. Roll right. So you will position it the seconds, let it be 1 seconds. 1.0. That's 1 seconds. Yes, make sure it is 1 second. You see it now. We are good to go. So we'll go and animate other. Before you can animate another stock, you have to tap on this thing so that the white stuff will remove. Then before you can animate another stock, then this one, this 50% off discount, tap on it again. It will enable you to animate it. Then tap on animation. So this one, we are going to be using slide left. Slide left. Look at it. Tap on it. You see, slide left. So it has to be 1.0 or so, 1.0 seconds. Slide left. Yeah, so we move to the next thing now, which is flash. We want to animate this flash also. So we click on animation. Let me see the animation we're going to use for this one. Yes. So the animation we are going to be using for this flash is spin left. Look at it here. It's the last animation you will see. Spin left. Here it is. So we're going to position it on 1 second also. Now the next thing left for us is the cell stock. We are going to animate the cell stock. All right, we click on animation again. So the animation we are going to be using for this one is I think you look for roll right, yes, roll right. So make it 1 second also. Yes, I think we're good to go now. Okay, now the other now. For the other now, the animation we're going to be using is slide up. Slide up. Look at it. Slide up. 1.0 seconds also. Yeah, we are good to go. Now, look at how it is. Can you see it? I think it's making sense now. All right. So you remove this watermark. This watermark that shows star CapCut tap to edit, you remove it. How can you remove it? Click on the last ending part here, you see, then you tap delete. Automatically it will delete it. Yeah, so here we are done. Then we'll tap on this thing here, you see, this 720p. So you increase it to 180p. Then you tap save here. Look at the save here. The save is the last icon. You tap on it, so it will export it. You save that part. So we are already saving it now. Yeah, I think we are done now. Let's play it and see. Yeah, we are good to go. So we click, tap on done, tap on done. So we have saved that aspect. Then we click on it again. Look at it here. So the next thing we are going to be doing here is that we are going to change the shoe. Tap on this shoe here. Tap on the shoe. Then look for replace. When tap on replace, please get it right. Don't make mistake. Pay full attention to it. It's not hard. Then look for the other shoe, which is this shoe. Tap on it. So automatically it has replaced the shoe for you. Then you reduce the size of the shoe. 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 Reduce it a little bit. So once you replace it, you tap on replace, you will not the what's it called? The animation, everything will be showcased. You are not going to start looking for animate to animate it again. Yeah, it will replicate the same thing you use for the first shoe. Everything will be there. So I think we're good to go now. Let's play it. I think we have to reduce it. All right. So we are going to save this aspect also. Just save it. This is saved now. Click on done. Again, tap on the same shoe again. Then now we are going to replace the shoe again to the last shoe. Look for replace. So we are going to be uploading the last shoe that we'll be using. This is the shoe here. So we'll reduce the size, reduce the size, reduce the size. Reduce the size. So I think we are good to go now. So remember, this 720 pixel, you have to increase it to 180 pixel before you can save your file. Increase it to so that your work will be more what's it called? It will be, the resolution will be bright, and your work will be very good looking. So we are saving this part also. Yes, save. Click on done. So what we are going to be doing now is that all those videos that we have saved to our gallery, I will now click on new project and upload them one after the other. So we have to look for those videos. Okay. All right. Here are those videos now. So tap on the first video, second video, third video. Then click on add. Very good. So now the next thing that we are going to be doing now is that we'll be adding sound to these videos. We'll be adding sound to this video. So look at audio here, audio. We'll click on audio. So all the stocks that I use in creating this video, I'm going to send it to you so that you can also replicate it and get the same result. So now click on sound. I already have my sound saved on my phone, on my Android, but you can just look around here and download any sound that you want. Just look around here. There are beautiful sound that you can use that really makes sense. Yes, but I already have my own sound on my device, so I'm going to upload it. So there's a particular sound I normally use. Yes, mix kit. Exactly. So I'm going to upload it. All right. So this sound, use it and position it very well. So we're going to reduce it and position it very well. So I've reduced it. If you want to reduce, look at it. You increase. If you want to reduce or you want to increase, just tap on the sound. Once you tap on it, it will enable you to elongate it and also reduce it. So I want to reduce it now. I'll just drag it backward. I will drag it backward. Yes, because I don't want it to be extended. So I have to drag it backward. I think it's okay this way. It's okay this way. So I will now duplicate it 3 times, 2 times rather, 2 times, 1, 2. So yeah, so I will now position it, position them, drag it. So drag it to the third one here. Is for the third one here. Oh, we have to position it very well. Drag it here. Yeah, let's see. All right. So we'll drag the second one too. Drag it here. Oh, drag it back. Drag it back. All right. So let's see how it is now. Let's see how it is now. Okay. I think it makes sense now. So what we are going to do now is that we are still going to remove this watermark. Let's now go and look for a befitting sound. A befitting sound that we can use. So click on sound. All right, click on device. I will upload it from my device. Here's my device. So I will look for a befitting sound that I can use. Sorry, I have to look for the sound. I have a lot of song that is stored on my phone, so I just have to wait and patiently look for it. let's see this one. Yeah, this is the sound I'm going to be using. So I click on this plus sign to upload the sound. Yeah, but I will have to position it. But let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to. I want the sound to start from the beginning, like this aspect that is fading away. I will drag it to the what to when to the aspect whereby the sound will come out very well. Yeah, I think so. I'll just have to drag this down, drag it to the last part, or make sure you just position it very well. Position it to the beginning. Yeah, let's see it now. All right. So what we are going to be doing next is that we'll tap on this sound, tap on it, then tap on volume, then increase the volume, increase the volume. So what we're going to be doing next is this first kid sound. We will increase the volume to, let's say, to something like, yeah, 375. This 375 or 350. Let's see 350. Yeah, very good. 350 is okay. So do the same thing for this second one. Increase it to 350. Increase the volume to 350. Yeah. Do the same thing for this third one too. Make sure you increase the volume to 350. So what we are going to be doing now is the video end at this part. So we are going to click on this sound, then you click on split. Once you click on this sound here, make sure you position this video here to the last part where it ended. Then you tap on this sound here, because the sound still is very long, but we want it to end here, so we are going to tap on split. Tap on split here. The first icon is split. Then once you have splitted it, you now delete this remaining aspect. Tap on delete. So it has been deleted now. Now we don't want this watermark, so we are going to tap on this ending here. You can see ending here. Tap on it and tap on delete. It has been deleted. Let's see this. Now this is great. Now look at the way it ended. It doesn't end. It ends like something that is yet to be that finished quickly. So there's something we call fade. Look at how it ended. You see, it ends as something that it finished prematurely. There's it what's it called? It finished on time. It means there's still more that still need to be had. So what we're going to do in such cases that we click on this sound. I mean the sound that we imported, then we click on fade. So once you click on fade, then click on fade out. Tap on fade out. All right. Let's see again. better this way. So it makes it looks very nice and okay. So unlike the first one, so it makes it look like something that a sound that's already coming to an end. Now you can see it. Our video is now ready. So it looks very nice and it looks very amazing. So thank you very much, guys. I want you to pay attention to every details and soak up every bit of information and follow every descriptions in this video, and I'm sure you're going to get the same result. So before you can save your video, don't forget, go to this 720 pixel, tap on it up here, look at it up here, then drag it to 180 pixel so that the resolution of the video will be very bright and amazing. Then you can now save your video. So that's everything about this video. Thank you very much. Our video is now saved. So let's play it and see.